Hey guys, so if you remember, I said I might be doing some collecting sap videos. Probably won't happen this year. I have one from last year if you guys do want to check that out. I'll put that in the description if I remember to. But I figured I'll do some chore videos. It's been a little while since I've done them. Here, bedding cows. I just fed them baleage here. So, yep, just getting chores done. I'm about done. Dad will be milking soon. So, today's Monday. We're thinking tomorrow night we can collect sap, and then that's going to be it. We're going to be at about 85 gallons of sap, or 85 gallons of syrup made. We're hoping for. But that is a lot less than normal. Last year we were at 120, plus I added another, what was it, 116 taps or something like that this year. So we were hoping for 150 gallons, but it's fine. Yeah, we'll still have syrup to sell, so remember, if you want some of that, go check the description for the link there. We'll get it shipped out within a couple days after you order. So the cows here will only be staying in the barn for about another month. They stay inside all winter just because of the weather, and out in the barnyard it's solid, froze, so we don't want a cow to get hurt out there. It's very easy for them to get hurt. And then the barn stays warmer, and then they're not, like I just said, going out in the nasty weather. So in about a month they'll be going outside at night about now. And then I'll be doing some fence fixing videos pretty soon now that sap season's gonna be over. Another thing, today I actually started splitting wood for next season. We know we need to do split a lot more this year, because we were running into the problem this year. We were running into wetter, greener wood that wasn't burning as good. But yeah, I started splitting wood for next year already. I just finished bedding. Now I'm gonna go spread a little load of manure here. I'm just gonna go right out here behind the barn. It's kind of muddy and rutted up. As soon as the ground thawed out, it was water and mud everywhere, so we're gonna have to disc a lot. Not really a lot, just a bunch of different fields and some spots this spring. We're gonna have to do that, so maybe we'll be recording some of that soon. So I'm here, got done with chores. I'm just gonna clean out this truck because we're gonna be done with this sap stuff. I've got a bunch of drops here laying. I need to get them in a box or a bag. And I've got some random connectors I'm gonna put in these boxes here. Let's see, what are these in here? These are straight connectors. Ran out of room in that one, so I'll put them in this one. Got these last year. I never used them yet. I should be able to use them next year now. If I remember right, there's another bag of something up here. Oh, that bag's empty. We've just got a couple mainline connectors here, I guess. And then just the drops, it's looking like. Hey guys, it's Friday now. Here letting the heifers outside, up to the heifer barn. I don't have school today. Teacher in service day. So, don't have school, but I got something going on at about 11 o'clock this morning. Got to go over to another farmer's place with a group of FFA kids. We're doing a tractor driving. We're doing a contest. That's not today, but what it is we had to go through an online course, safety things, and now we need to have our practice done today, actually driving the tractors, and like you go through a course, and then we're certified. We can basically do whatever we want, kind of, but then there's a contest over spring break I got going on, so that's the main reason why we got our certification, so we could compete in that contest. So lucky for me, farm we're going to, he has a bunch of whites, a few internationals, and one Massey. The Massey is actually the same size, same model as our biggest one, our 5475. And I heard yesterday that's what we're gonna drive, so I like that because I already know pretty well how to drive them.
So this wasn't me backing up the wagon, but there was an international on a four-wheel wagon we were backing up. This was a bit tricky because you have two pivot points with a four-wheel wagon. You pivot at your drawbar and you pivot at the front wheels.
Alright, is that... You're supposed to teach me how to drive this.
Yeah, I am. Okay, see this? You're in 2B. That's a good speed to start at.
And that's what Ethan was in, right?
Yeah, he was in 2B, 2C.
Alright, I don't know how to change speed.
You can either click this forward or just use your throttle.
This is throttle.
Yeah, or your foot throttle.
Oh. No, just... Not good. I go all the way out here.
Yeah,
right?
all the way around and back.
Damn. We got to get this thing done. Are you recording on?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys send this to me so I can put it on my YouTube.
Oh, okay.
You know. Or you could just put it on your YouTube. Wait, I go through, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just go straight through and then you gotta back it up.
Wait, so you should put it on your YouTube and then you should shout me out.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
What's your YouTube again?
Knect Farms.
Yeah.
Wait, so I'll go on it down. I'm scared.
Yeah.
Wait, do I have a?
Yeah, just pull straight up.
How do we put it? Oh yeah, never mind. We're good. You have to beat me out. Don't want to get the silage wet. Got to put her in all the way.
No fucking matter.
You got that one? You gotta buy it. Oh, you gotta wait. This is the trickiest one right here. Over here. Oh,
Did I miss it?
yeah, I think you're gonna miss it.
Oh, my
Oh.
God.
Yeah, just keep going.
I'm more worried about the trailer.
You won't jackknife it, turn too sharp. You're not gonna make that.
Not gonna make that.
No.
He did.
He put the blinker on him.
And it's truly much better to go slow than to fly.
Oh, you should do it. You should do it. We'll all pay you $1.
No, we won't.
We'll give you 5.
Who's left?
Me.
I don't want to go last.
Who's go next?
Yeah, I'll go next.
So it's not last.
He's too nervous of that. He doesn't want to hit me.
I was gonna do it all the time. I mean, not
I know, that's why I'm not.
That's all I have recorded from that tractor driving practice. I think we're gonna have one more practice and then we have the contest at an equipment dealer a few towns away. So that'll be coming up a week or two. Yep, week or two, I think. So we just had to, the first thing with the four-wheel wagon was we went forward and backed it into the other set of cones. Then with the Massey and the dump wagon, we had to make some like figure eights, so that was a lot easier than backing up the four-wheel wagon. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some spring videos coming up. Probably start on some maintenance videos pretty soon here. So yep, thanks for watching. See you next time.